For over 50 years, robots have played a crucial role in vehicle assembly lines, making processes more efficient, accurate, and dependable. The automotive industry has embraced automation, making it one of the largest users of robots globally. With thousands of wires and parts in every vehicle, the manufacturing process is complex, and robots have become indispensable in getting components where they need to be. So, without further ado, let's discuss the top 10 robots in the automotive industry. On number 10, we have robotic vision. This invention has given robots eyes to see what they're doing, allowing them to perform more precise work. With a laser and camera array in their wrist, robots receive instant feedback and can ensure proper offsetting when installing parts. Robotic vision has greatly improved the accuracy of tasks like installing door panels, windshields, and fenders, making them more reliable than ever. Up next on number 9, we have spot and arc welding. These powerful machines handle welding tasks in automotive manufacturing. Large robots with long arms tackle spots of welding on heavy body panels, while smaller robots take care of lighter parts. Robotic TIG and MIG welders ensure consistent torch positioning for precise welds. The repeatability and the speed of robotic welding maintain high standards and efficiency. Collaborative robots work alongside large ones, ensuring panels are placed accurately for seamless welding operations. Together, they keep the assembly line moving smoothly. Next up, on number 8, we have assembly. These robots have a huge impact on the process of assembling mechanical parts. In automotive manufacturing plants, light robotic arms are in action, swiftly assembling smaller parts like motors and pumps at high speeds. For screw driving to wheel mounting and windshield installation, these robot arms handle it all. Their precision and efficiency ensure accurate and reliable assembly, streamlining the production process. Next up, on number 7, we have painting, sealing, and coating. So we know how painting cars is no easy task, and finding skilled painters is becoming increasingly challenging. That's where these robotic arms come in to save the day. These robots provide consistency for each coat of paint, following programmed paths to cover large areas with precision and minimize waste. They not only excel in painting but also spraying adhesives, sealants, and primers. Up next, on number 6, we have part transfer. These robots excel in tasks like transferring metal stamps, loading and unloading CNC machines, and handling molten metal in foundries. This kind of work can be dangerous for human workers, and unfortunately, accidents have occurred. But with the introduction of large industrial robots and smaller cobots, the risks are minimized and productivity is enhanced. These robots take on the heavy and hazardous tasks, ensuring safety and precision. At the 5th spot, we have materials removal. These robots are masters of cutting and trimming tasks. They follow complex paths multiple times with precision and are equipped with force sensing technology so to be sure for clean cuts and smooth finishes. They can handle it all, from trimming flash on plastic moldings to polishing molds and cutting fabric. It is safe to say that by employing material removal robots, the automotive industry could achieve consistent quality and efficiency. Next up, on number 4, we have internal logistics. These amazing AMRs and other automated vehicles like forklifts are changing the game when it comes to moving materials within factories. They transport raw material and parts from storage areas to the factory floor, optimizing efficiency and productivity. For example, Ford Motor Co. in Spain has adopted AMRs from mobile industrial robots to deliver industrial and welding materials to robot stations, replacing a whole manual process. Up next, at the 3rd spot, we have polishing robots. These robots play a vital role in cleaning up automotive parts, trimming metal, and polishing molds to achieve these smooth finishes we love. Well, the tasks they have to do can be repetitive and sometimes dangerous, making them perfect for robotic interventions. Polishing robots handle material removal tasks like grinding, deburring, milling, sanding, routing, and drilling with precision and consistency. Just imagine if these robots take on these tasks We would not only be able to increase efficiency, but also minimize risk associated with repetitive work. And now, at number 2 on our list, we have quality inspection. These robots could be a great help in terms of ensuring product quality and avoiding costly production failures. Plus, some collaborative robots, aka the cobots, play a significant role in the automotive industry by performing precise and consistent quality inspection tasks. UR Plus offers a range of hardware and software solutions designed specifically for automating automotive quality inspection, including optical inspection and metrology. And now, finally, on number 1, we have artificial intelligence. AI systems are all set to become the norm in manufacturing, improving every aspect of the production line and operations overall. In the best few years, robotics and AI will work together to create automated or self-driving vehicles, using 3D mapping and road traffic data to ensure safety. As automotive manufacturers innovate their products, their production lines will evolve too. Automated guided vehicles, aka the AGVs, will develop to meet the needs of electric and self-driving car manufacturing. Well, with that, it's a wrap on our list of the top 10 robots in the automotive industry. From robotic vision to polishing robots, quality inspection to artificial intelligence, we have explored the incredible machines that are shaping the future of automotive manufacturing. And this is just the beginning. The world of robotics in the automotive industry continues to evolve and amaze us with new innovations and possibilities. Now we want to hear from you. So, which robot from our countdown fascinated you the most? Was it the precision of robotic vision or the efficiency of material removal? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our new content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.